Troubleshooting. Resetting your ADT sensor.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common issue that can come up with your ADT security system, your ADT sensor needing a reset. If your ADT sensor needs to be reset, it usually means that it has lost its connection to the main system or is experiencing a problem. This could be due to a variety of issues, including a low battery, a power outage, or a general system error.
Why does my ADT sensor need a reset?
Your ADT sensor is a crucial part of your security system. It communicates with the main system to monitor your home for any signs of intrusion. However, like all electronics, it can occasionally experience issues. If your sensor is not working properly, it may not communicate accurately with the main system. This could result in false alarms, or worse, it may not detect an actual security threat. Some reasons for your ADT sensor needing a reset include power issues. If there was a power outage or if the battery in your sensor is running low or is dead, your sensor may need to be reset. Connectivity issues. Your sensor communicates with the main system wirelessly. If this connection is lost, your sensor may need to be reset. System errors. Like any computer, your sensor can experience general system errors that require a reset to solve.
How do I reset my ADT sensor?
Resetting your ADT sensor can often solve any issues you're experiencing. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Identify the issue. Look at your ADT control panel. It should display a message indicating which sensor is experiencing the problem. 2. Check the power. Ensure the sensor has power. This might mean checking for power outages or replacing the sensor's battery. 3. Reset the sensor. You can usually do this by removing the battery, waiting a few seconds, and then reinserting it. This is similar to restarting a computer. 4. Check the sensor. Once you've reset the sensor, check the control panel again. If the error message is gone, your sensor should be functioning correctly. 5. Call for help. If the error message persists after you've reset the sensor, you may need to call ADT's customer service for further assistance. And that's it. That's all you need to know about resetting your ADT sensor. By understanding why your sensor might need a reset and how to reset it, you can ensure your ADT security system remains effective. Remember, if you're ever unsure about what to do, ADT's customer service is there to help. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.